Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fred, your roving reporter. And in this universe, we use sponsored microphones. I'm here with WCE champion, former champion, Squishy. Squishy, you are well known for going after the title. You've not been going after the title on WCE television. Why is that?
Well, James, you see, the thing is I've been having a bit of a boring time on WCE. I've missed my friends. So,
I wasn't aware that you had friends, Squishy, on WCE. You have friends there?
well, Jimmy's there. Jimmy's there. And Jimmy's there. But I'd really like to go see one of my best friends in the entire world.
Do you actually know his name?
Of course. Of course.
His real name?
Yes, James. Of course I know my friends' names. What are you talking about? Forgot. Sorry, James.
This again.
Well, I couldn't get caps this time. They're all sold out. So, got you a Batman beanie.
Thank you! A lot!
Looks great, James. So, you got it? There you go, James.
Yes!
So, I think I'm gonna head over to my best friend in the world, Billy. I'm gonna go to SmackDown. I said that wrong, didn't I? DownSmack. Apologies.
Yeah, he doesn't work at that place.
Yeah, I haven't been there in a while. I'm gonna go to DownSmack. I'm gonna find Billy. We're gonna have a good old time. We're gonna have a great match. And here's the thing. Here's the thing. I'm gonna go to DownSmack. I'm going to invoke my rights. You lost your beanie, James. That looks great!
I'm sure it does.
As I was saying, I'm gonna go find Billy, and I'm going to invoke my rights as a superstar. And I'm going to win a 3-on-1 handicap match, and then earn my right to fight Billy for a championship. That is what I plan to do. I have to work out some negotiating details with him, but it's Billy. He's my best friend. I'm sure he'll be fine with it. You're adjusting the mic, James?
Sensitive equipment. And big news. Breaking news. Squishy is coming to SmackDown. How will they receive him? Will WCE miss him? Tune in. This is Fred. I'll be on the spot.